Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply join a meeting in Zoom. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Zoom application, and what you want to do is when you're in Zoom application, just click here on join. And now you're gonna select the meeting ID that you need to add or join with a link name. It's up to you which options you actually have. Then you're gonna select don't connect to audio or turn off my video when you're joining. Then you can actually turn it off during it if you want to. But these are the two things how you can do it. It's pretty simple and pretty intuitive. So, and it's many times you're gonna select the meeting ID is here. When I click on meetings, I can see my meeting 75421321489, right? So this is what you need to add here when you're gonna join the meeting ID. And then you're gonna select the recent meetings right here. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.